1 minute. Let's see what we got in the box. This is a cicada. Wait a minute, Ziva. See if I can grab him. Okay. Tinkle. See if I can make it make a noise. Yeah. Want to see him, Ziva? Da Vinci, you want to see the bug? Oh, Da Vinci, he don't like you. No, you don't like him either, huh? You want to see him? You want to see him, Ziva? No? Da Vinci, come here. You bug. Okay. Did he touch you? Alright. Da Vinci? No? Alright. I guess he's not happy at the moment.